moves happening around the board here. SoFi coming into its lows. So I know a lot.
We're just keeping an eye on. What do you mean we're not live? I see that we're live. Let me turn on the move this down a little bit right there. Boom. All right, looks like we're not live. Are we live? Are we not live? What the Fugazi? I am live. Okay, so we got APL news that just dropped, so that's gonna send markets going up only. That just dropped, so that's gonna send markets going. I mean, APLD is gonna go up. APLD up only? Question mark. All right, let's see. Market was a little bit neutral today. Post markets live. All right, we are good on that front. You know what? I'm gonna do a little bit something different. Maybe I should maybe. How do I keep the camera side by side? You know? Let me see something. Is there any way to keep this camera vertical instead of horizontal? And then put the right? That'd be kind of cool, right? Keep it vertical. How the fuck do I do that? And then put the charts side by side. Can I do that? I don't think I could do that. Let's find out. All right, let's see. All right, first and foremost, let's go ahead and take a look at SPY. Let's look at our little index here. We'll leave it here for now. Buying futures, absolutely dog shit today. Lucid coming back down. I was honestly thinking about putting a position here. I was gonna play some calls. As a matter of fact, let me see some calls on Lucid. LCID. Let me just take a look at the calls right now. Let's do 1 year outdated, years outdated. Let's do 360, August 21st calls. Let's do, am I buying a call or am I selling a call? August 26th in the money, 82% volatility. What's interest? Open interest. Oof. So $3 strikes out the money, in the money. 82%, 66 premium. In the money, right? Out the money. In the money, yeah, that makes sense. Alright, whatever. Alright, so it looks like SPY wants to go another bip up on the upside. Everything else will ensue. Just doing a little bit of market recap for the day. Seeing what the movements are for the rest of hopefully this week or tomorrow. I want to get into a nice opportunity, at least short term, nothing long, nothing. Just want to put a little bit of money into something, and then take it from there. You know, from a risk reward. Looks like SPY wants to go ahead and make a little bit of potential to the upside, or at least start making movements to the upside. Oh, by the way, we just got a report here. Breaking news, breaking news, folks. There you go, breaking news. Breaking news. United States Department of Commerce will start publishing economic data on the blockchain. Can you guys believe that? On the blockchain. Isn't that interesting? Let me go ahead and take that out. Let me post that in my general chat. Whoops, that's not the general chat. That's not the general chat at all. Oh, there it is. Did we break the box? I think we broke the box, folks. I think we did break the box. Did we break the box? Yeah, we're breaking above the box. Look at that. That article starts flying 1 hour before, and then we're sending APLD to the sky. Look at that, folks. APLD breaking out. Article releases, and another leg to the upside. APLD. APLD. All right, folks. So APLD is making another leg up to the upside. I mean, the trend of this thing is just continuously up. We have a new article, at least an article went ahead and released. I would have to take a read on this, but looks like the article is sending massive, telling people to come in and take a look at this ticker, basically. We're releasing articles. We're sending. We raised the price target to $20, and rightfully so. This is what the stock is worth. So, lots of, I might even consider, but I'm trying to be mindful of the current economic times. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But being patient sucks sometimes. Holy shit, being patient sucks. Being patient sucks so much. Oh man. So SPY breaking out. Futures also having a nice little dragon gravestone doji on the 1 hour. That's an interesting candle right there. Very interesting candle. Very, very interesting candle, I will say. All right, Webull. Let's take a look at Webull real quick. Webull's also on my radar. Oh, and having a nice little 1477 seems to be the bottom. Again, another little box that I see here on Webull. Let me see something. Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do is GME. Holy shit, GME is breaking down, folks. GME is breaking down this trend line. Oh my goodness gracious. I mean, I seriously would I would really want this to actually do something. Honestly. It's just doing nothing. And then earnings. It's going to be good earnings as always. They always have great earnings. It's just another month. Good earnings, positive earnings. Just another great momentum to the upside. And then earnings come up. And then they shoot it up for a little bit. and then they sell off. Then they sell off. So that's interesting. All right, so looks like nothing's happening in the market. All right, let's chart some potential out here. Let's start charting potential. Let's take a look at some tickers that we can try and get in tomorrow. Definitely Weeble's on my radar. Shit, I'd consider fucking DCAing at this point right down here. Let's see, 15. Well, 15 or 6. No, that'd be 16. 5. It's only 360. Push it. Pump those bags. Pump it. Pump it. Oscar. Right at support level. Look at that. It's riding up another wave. Resistance hit that support box, and somebody bought around 13 bucks. 13 was a great buy on Oscar. Can't even argue with those. So they're already up 36% on their trade. Oscar is a no-brainer buy, not financial advice, but look, you still have another 16% potential to the upside. Interesting. Think about changing my colors. I'm honestly thinking about changing my colors. I'm really thinking about it. I'm really considering changing my colors. Let's see how long I think about it for. This is why? But why? No. Just do it there. Like, just save it. Just save it. Save as default. There you go. Now it's all completed. Oh my God, SPY. Whoa, SPY, 3 minutes before the bell wants to have a rip. Wants to have a rip-a-reno, SPY. Okay, SPY. So all this time, you've just been having a vacation, and you decide to come back and start doing some work. Okay, well, there you go, SPY. RSI is looking great on the R's above the center line, and now it wants to rip. What is this? Is this really happening? Webull launches crypto trading in United States. There you go. So that was yesterday, Webull, and so Webull's now getting a reaction, but that's all because of SPY. So the crypto trading on Webull was launched yesterday. Second quarter revenues on August 28th. Okay. Webull bringing back crypto. Okay, so yesterday launched new.